Hello, welcome to Night Tech Reviews, and this is a tutorial video. This is an HP Pavilion, and it's old. It's 2002, practically as old as the IBM, but it's not that old yet. It's running XP and 512 megs of RAM, so it's time to upgrade to a gig. Let's do so. RAM. All you do is slide off the side of your computer door. RAM stands for Random Access Memory, if most of you don't know that. But people that are actually wanting to replace RAM probably would know, so I'm not going to really say anything. But yes, you got inside of your computer. You got your power brick, your CPU, your motherboard. Now the RAM should just be right on the motherboard, so that will be right here for this particular computer. You can see the 512 chip's already in there. But how you install this chip is you just pop it in. Make sure the notch right there is lined up with the notch down in there. And it should go in this way. And if it goes right, it should just clip in like so. And you have your RAM. So, if you ever need to update RAM in your good old desktops, that's how you do it. That's it. That's simple. Well, this is Night Tech Reviews, signing out for tonight. Good night.